What's up, guys? It's Luke W, and we're back in Blaine, Washington, day 2. I got a bunch more content in store for you guys. Let's go see what's cooking right out the gate right now. Salad's looking on point. Salad's on point. We got granola for days over here, guys, for days. So in this bit of content, I want to share with you how to get more traffic for your Amazon product or your own personal brand if you're trying to build a YouTube channel. Whichever which way, all you guys got to do is work on more collaborations. And in this sense, we're going to be talking about influencers. I personally just reached out to someone on YouTube. It's a woman over 50 years old. I reached out to a bunch of these people that are interested in doing kind of skincare products and stuff like that. And I reached out to this lady, and a couple of days later, she just reached back to me, and now she's saying, yes, I would love to take your product and do a review for my people and my subscribers. She's got 41,000 subscribers. Now I'm gonna send her my product. I'm actually gonna have her buy it from my Amazon listing itself, leave me a verified review, and get that sales velocity going at the same time, which is gonna be great for ranking my product even more. And then she's gonna share it to her audience of over 41,000 people who are gonna be likely to buy it. And she has so much engagement. That's one of the things you wanna look out for, whether it's Instagram or on YouTube. You wanna see if the people, it doesn't matter how many subscribers they have, it matters how much engagement their content is getting. So this woman's getting around 10,000 views on a video she posted like last week, and it's got 200 comments on it. So can you imagine? Her subscribers are really interested in her stuff and her products and what she's talking about. So I'm gonna have my product be presented in front of this giant audience that's likely to be buying it. That's gonna drive so much traffic to my Amazon listing, and purchases that are made from outside traffic sources. Anytime someone goes to an Amazon link from an outside traffic source, you're gonna get so much more ranking for your product, and it's super great. Just make sure they have a big following that has a lot of engagement on their posts. A lot of people on Instagram will actually just pay for fake followers and hardly get any engagement at all. So just make sure all their posts are really good, and there's people in the comments already saying, ooh, I want one of these, ooh, I want to buy this. And this is the first time, like I said, I'm going to be doing this, so I'm super excited to get going on it, and I'm going to let you guys know exactly how it plays out and if it really does work for me, and if I even get more ranking than I was expecting because I'm getting traffic from an outside source like YouTube links, referral links to my Amazon products. So super stoked on that. Guys, it's another beautiful day in Blaine. Please enjoy some more of this awesome footage and have a great rest of your day yourselves. The last thing I wanted to mention to you guys is that these influencers also probably have affiliate links set up for your product. So if your product is selling on Amazon, they can go ahead and use their Amazon Associates account to get an affiliate link for your product, and they're going to be hungry to try and get sales for your product, so it's going to benefit both parties. I'm going to share with you guys exactly how I go about sending a message to people on Instagram and on YouTube, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Okay, so going about finding influencers for your Amazon product, we can go check out YouTube. And for this example, let's pretend we're looking into pet products, more specifically dog products. So all we literally have to do is say dog products. And look at this, we have a bunch of people saying 10 products every dog lover needs, trying fun dog products. So all we would have to do is come into a big channel like this. You know, people with 10 million subscribers probably won't really get back to you, but this is just an example. You can go find people with, 50,000 subscribers, and they're going to be more likely to take your Amazon product and market it on their channel. We can go look right in their description, and it looks like they do have a whole line of dog products right here. What I was talking about with the affiliate links is right here. If I type in dog leash, I actually do have an Amazon Associates account, so I can come in, click on a product that I would be wanting to sell. So for instance, if this is my product, I can come right up here and you see it says Amazon Associates. I can press text, and this is my own Amazon affiliate link. So any product on Amazon, I can market it. And if you look in my description, I will have my products, my camera gear, my drones, all that stuff right down there. And if you guys click on it and purchase that product from my link, I'll get a little commission for that, the same way these other influencers are gonna get commissions for your product when they market it on their channels. So I would literally just come down to a comment and I'd be like, hey guys, love the channel. I have an awesome product you may want to check out. So it's basically gonna be your cool product. Just drop a sweet comment for them right here, and you're able to kind of just copy and paste this after you made a really nice message. Maybe put a little more emphasis on how cool your product is and how it would be a benefit for them sharing it with their subscribers. Put that in here, copy this, and then just go right on over to the next person like Justine, and we can go drop the same comment right here. She still has 4.8 million subscribers, so but even putting your comment in here might get other people saying, hey, and commenting on your comment saying, what's that product? I want to check it out. Where can I find more about it? So just getting engaged with people on these platforms is a great way to do that. You can also go to their actual page. A lot of the times they will have a section in their about area where you can send them a message, but I found that messages go really under the radar. Even when people send me messages on my channel, I don't really see them. I don't get a notification for that. But you can also do it here. One more thing I wanted to share with you guys quickly is how to do it on Instagram. So if I can do this correctly here, we have basically my account here, but if I just go to the search bar and I'm just gonna go type in dog products, and then we can see a bunch of different Instagram accounts. And I would literally just come into some of these dog accounts, press this little button up here, press send message, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and type in a DM, a direct message to these guys saying pretty much the same thing. Hey, if you wanna check out this product, I'll send you a free one, maybe an extra one so you can do a giveaway for some of your people. I'll even give you a promotion discount code for all your people looking to buy this product. Inside of Amazon, you can make social media promo codes, which are great. So I'm gonna make a promo code, give it to some of these influencers. They can get an additional 10 to 15% off on my product to get more enticing offers for those subscribers to go buy my product. So it's really that simple, guys. I hope this kind of cleared up some of the things. If you did like the video, please throw a thumbs up and subscribe for more of this awesome content, guys. We're almost at 2K subs, so let's get it. Peace out. By the way, guys, using influencers to help promote your Amazon product is just one more example of outsourcing your work. Every millionaire does this kind of stuff, and when you're looking at an Amazon FBA business when all you really have to do is source products, contact suppliers, and create listings, if you can outsource each of those jobs, which is totally doable and very easy, if you're using a website called Upwork.com or even Fiverr, you can have people outsource your work and do it for you, and that's going to leave you a lot more time on your hands to do the things that you love to do in life, and that's the whole point of why I got into this business in the first place. I know Amazon already takes care of a lot of the work for us. That's why I love the FBA business model. Fulfillment by Amazon means all I have to do is source a hot selling product, ship it into Amazon's warehouses, and then they're going to ship it out to customers with free 2-day shipping, handle any returns I ever get, and deal with all that customer service. So it leaves me a lot more time to do the things I love to do. And right now we are kayaking out in the middle of Drayton Harbor. This is saltwater and there are orca whales out here, so I'm gonna hush up now and not talk so loud because I'm not trying to die out here.